All right, guys. This particular one, so now about the insecurity where they happen for Nigeria. As you all know that for the past couple of weeks now, a lot of killings are rapidly going on across the states in Nigeria. It started from Edo State, now going on in Plateau State, going on in Benue State, and every other state that is not actually echoing yet. But in terms of who is going to protect you, as you and I know, nobody is going to protect you the way it looks like. It looks like we don't have government, we don't know where Tinubu, they will not know where the Chetima, they will not know where the third man, the Senate president, where they. But Theophilus Danjuma don't come out now. Come tell Nigerians once again, because if I talk about before, that you got to protect yourself. Yes, you cannot fold your arms and be waiting for these people to come inside your house or your farmland to buy you. Now, particularly because me, by myself, because say I've been from Edo State, and I know what happened for my state before. I want to use this opportunity to talk to my Edo people. Say, this is the time to listen to messages like this and do something. But before that, I would like to listen to this, my people.
While the Benue State Governor appeals for calm, a former Chief of Army Staff, retired General Theophilus Danjuma, has once again asked citizens to rise up and defend themselves in the face of the unending security threats. General Danjuma insisted that government alone cannot protect everyone, and if Nigerians do not defend themselves, bandits and other criminal elements will overrun the country for their selfish interests. He was speaking at an event in Takum local government area of Taraba State.
I know we have a lot of problems, including security. As recently as 2 or 3 days ago, we've experienced kidnapping near Kashimila, and the threat of kidnapping will continue until we, every one of us, rise up and defend ourselves. It is quite clear the government alone cannot do it. I have warned very long time ago in a speech in Ukari, that our people must be prepared to defend themselves. That warning is as valid today as it was when I made it.
You see, they say that a small word you go tell people where it gets sense, and the word will penetrate their head. My Edo people, more than one side they focus on Edo people. Yes, if you come from Benue, come talk for your people. If you come from Plateau, come talk for your people. Me, I want to talk to my Edo people now. Folding your hands, make they call Ukbebolo to save you. Now, so now you're the buy they go. You see all these people own they cash. If you not catch them, you not bring their camera for video, you not come go over there to police or to whatever. Tomorrow they go free them. If you get sense, listen to what Danjuma talk. Protect yourself. What does that mean? It means say the stone where you see they fly, they come. You know they fit enter your eye. It's difficult make it enter your eye. Make una carry this video, make una share this video, make it reach all my Edo people, make they hear them. Possibly, make all Nigerians hear now say, Theophilus Danjuma don't tell us, say, protect yourself or you go buy like rats and chicken. What do I know? Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affected you and I. On our live broadcast, share our videos, like our videos. Take care, guys, and bye for now.